In this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to use custom fonts in Notion. When you click the three dots on the top right corner, you'll see that there are three font styles to choose from, namely Default, Serif, and Monospace. We have very limited options. And when you click the style, it will change the font of the entire page. You can't select a specific line or a specific word to change if you do it this way. So yes, there's another way to do this. There are multiple ways actually, but today I'm going to show you the easiest way to change your font in Notion. That is with the use of the Fancy Text Generator. Head over to lingojam.com/fancytextgenerator. It's straightforward and very easy to use. No equations involved, it's purely copy-paste. Copy and paste or write your text here on the left side, and on the right side, you'll see it in different fonts. There are many fonts here, so just keep scrolling till you see your desired font. Once you've chosen, simply copy the text and paste it into Notion. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.